आता खबरो विस्तारान 2015 वर्सा गोंयान सरकारान गडबडेन 89 मीन खनिजच्या लिजाचे नूतनीकरणाक मान्यताय दिली। सर्वोच्च न्यायालयान हे नूतनीकरण बुधवारा रद्द केले। 15 मार्च मेरेन गोंयांतल्या 89 लिजाच्या खणीचे काम बंद करपाचो आदेश सर्वोच्च न्यायालयान दिला। न्यायालयाच्या ह्या निर्णयाचेर गोंयच्या मंत्री आमदारांनी आपली प्रतिक्रिया दिल्या। आडेक्स गोवा खातीर पर्वच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर केंजिल रॉड्रिगीस।
Just study करचे पडटले. It's a big issue. If all mines stopped at this moment, then it is a very sad thing. कारण एकदम रेवेन्यू सुद्धा आमचो देंवता आनी त्या खातीर आमकां रिप्लॅनिंग करचें पडटलें जोपर्यंत मायनिंग चालू जायना। आनी आतां जर मायनी बंद पडल्यो परत रिस्टार्ट जातसर 4 महिने 5 महिने वचूंक शकता, बेकारी येवंक शकता। ही गोष्टी आसा, बेकारी येवप म्हणजे आमकां नुकसान आसा।
तेंच्यांनी ईसी नवीन सांगले करपाक, तेंच्यांनी ऑप्शनाचें सजेशन केलां। ह्यो सगळ्यो 2-3 वर्सां स्टार्ट जावंक शकना तेंचो प्रोसिजर ईसीचे बी पयले।
देन इट वील हेविली एफेक्ट जातलो। 2-3 वर्सां जर मागीर चालू जालो ना जाल्यार फाटल्या फावटी जसो प्रॉब्लेम जालो तसो प्रॉब्लेम
धोक्याची कशी
मेजर रेव्हेन्यू पेक्षा आमचो प्रॉब्लेम असो जातलो की कितलेशेच लोक बेकार पडटले।
टुरिजमाचे पडटलो इफेक्ट न्ही आतां।
सो
मागीर टुरिजम फुडें व्हरपा खातीर आतां जाता तितलें आमी टुरिजम प्रमोट करपाक जाय गोंयांत।
स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट म्हळ्यार कितें आहा, सुप्रीम कोर्ट्स ऑर्डर इज टू बी स्टडीड बट द इम्प्लिकेशन ऑफ द ऑर्डर कॅन बी ह्यूज दॅट everybody in the Goan mines are now going to get Indianized. So it's open for everyone. So I think we have to protect the mining sector from being Indianized. गोंयकारपण म्हणटा पळय ते गोंयचो मायन ओनर, गोंयचो ट्रक ड्रायव्हर, गोंयचो शॉल ऑपरेटर, गोंयचो बेनिफिशियरी हे सगळें आमी पळोवचें पडटलें। Even direct make in India, Kora steel units घाला, but गोंयकाराक ते प्राधान्य मेळूंक जाय।
You cannot. The renewals was done. The second renewal was done by Manohar Parrikar. He did second renewal even before the new MMDR Act was going to be amended. He is telling us to go to Supreme Court on other issues. He has forgotten this is the fallout. आमकां पण सांगता Supreme Court वचून गोंयच्या इश्यू आचेर this is the fallout from Manohar Parrikar. Anything that happens in the interest of the state, I will be number one
to support it.
Not only interest of the state, it's the people. They have to get good health care, they have to get good infrastructure, they have to get good things in the state. That should be our motto. Supreme Court is very quick in giving this order. Therefore, the auctioners, whoever is auctioned, those people will be accommodated there. I'll tell you that on auctioning, if proper procedures are followed, everybody will get higher rates. Trucks will get higher rates. People will get higher jobs. Everything will be there. Nothing will stop. And teaching and the next job of the same fellows will be to divide the people on this line. I think the people of Goa should be wise enough not to allow these people to divide the people on this line, saying that people will be out and people will be in.
Broadly, Magash, the whole economy of the state is dependable on one of these factors like mining, tourism, money. Mining also impact has been felt earlier also. Till date, I don't think we have recovered to the fullest. The government has pitched in certain doles and that is how we have survived and the economy has taken a shape. आता समज असले decisions आयल्या with due respect to the judiciary, I think it is not in the right taste where the economy or the actual scenario of the Goans is concerned. Direct and indirect revenue which is being generating from mining suddenly stops out will impact the economy quite substantially. And ताज्या खातीर the thing to tackle immediately, there should be some mechanism to tackle this type of scenarios.
Obviously, it is a setback.
Okay.
When any normal activity gets affected, mining was at one time the mainstay of Goan economy. Though we have learned to live with the situation that mining is no more happening the way it was happening on a big scale. Even considering that so many leases have been, the second renewals have been terminated, definitely it's a setback.
It's a shocking development that has taken place. I represent a mining belt.
Yeah, correct.
I am very, very concerned, but I am confident that we have a leader like Manohar Parrikar who will examine the matter legally. He will examine and then we have to find a way forward. But as far as I am concerned, being a member representing Sattari and Uzgaon, which is a mining area, it's a great matter of concern. I'm worried about the people. And same breath, I would like to say that just give us a little time, because we've just heard what SMSs have come out. We have not yet gone through the order. I am also going to ask for the order. And we all need to read it and to understand what are the implications as far as...
Not only iron ore, Goa has got a lot of mineral within that lease. I think when we are saying auction of leases, we have to determine all these things before auctioning. Otherwise, how will the bidder know what he is mining and what he is doing? So basically, it is a big story. Honorable CM I will give my viewpoints, and it is for Honorable CM to decide. I feel Honorable Supreme Court has to re-look at it and give that extension period, whatever is given, at least till 2027, so that everything else falls in place. And after 2027, there should be no renewal. It should have auction period.